So what we're going to do today is we're going to swap the basic seat backs over to ones that have got a luggage net in, which is I think part of the storage pack. So basically exactly the same backs, but one's got the handy little storage net on. So if we have a look at the other side of the cover, we'll see how it's held into the car. And it's held on with, at the bottom we've got 2 plastic hooks, and then at the top it's just held in with 3 metal clips that slide into them little plastic lugs there. So at the back of the seat here, we'll see the original cover that's on, and it's basically got the 3 clips or here, because it's quite loose at the sides, but it's held on here by the 3 clips. And at the bottom, we've got the 2 hooks. So basically, you just want to put your fingers in there and then give it a pull. And there you can see I've got the first one loose. There you can just see the clip. So now I've got all 3 clips loose, and the cover won't come off yet, because them clips have got like almost like a little clip on the end of them that stops them from coming all the way out. So what we need to do now is we need to like slide. Them clips won't come out, so we need to like tilt it slightly to the right and use a screwdriver to move the clips to the left, because the lugs are open at the left hand side. So we should be able to just move them off like that, and then we should just be able to lift off the bottom. And then we can see we've got the lugs on the bottom there, the clips on the bottom. We've got the little lugs for the clips at the top. So what I've got to do now, it's the opposite of taking it off. I've got to slide these clips onto these lugs down here, and then slightly tilt it to the right to then be able to slip them clips into the lugs. So all of the clips are now into the lugs, so we just need to, if you can see that, all the clips are into the lugs, so we just need to push that on now. That's it on. That's it done. And that's it on, all secure. Looking much better now and actually providing a use. No idea why this was an option from Audi. And just putting the poverty spec ones on from standard with nothing on the back, but that's a lot better now.